Howdy. What you're looking at is the only part of a book which I kept. I bought it in 1999, the same year Matrix, the movie, came out. It's in German, and I kept this page because I used the rest for better purposes, such as making fire and stuff. But it had marks, and I spent quite some years, let's say 5, 6, 7 years, every now and then reading on the book and trying to figure out what it's saying and stuff. And that's the English version. Let's go back quickly for those who read German. They can read. Daran gibt es keinen Zweifel, die elektromagnetische Abstoßung ist ungefähr 1 Million Milliarde 10 hoch 42 mal so stark wie die Gravitation. That's the same in English. Their mutual gravitational or mass attraction would help try to bring them closer together, while electromagnetic repulsion would drive them apart. Which effect is stronger? There is no doubt about that. The electromagnetic repulsion is approximately 1 million billion times as strong. If your right bicep represented the strength of the gravitational force, then your left bicep would have to stretch beyond the limits of the known universe to represent the strength of the electromagnetic force. And I don't know when exactly I made those marks, but 20 years or something. The page is from the book The Elegant Universe. Superstrings, Hidden Dimensions, and the Quest for the Ultimate Theory is a book by Greene published in 1999, which introduces string and superstring theory and provides a comprehensive, though non-technical assessment of the theory and some of its shortcomings. In 2000, it won the Royal Society Prize for Science Books and was a finalist for the Pulitzer Prize for General Nonfiction. A new edition was released in 2003 with an updated preface. This is how it looked. Genre, non-fiction. Which is rather odd. Because if you think of it like this is about black holes, dark energy, and all these kind of things. They tell us we use probably some 3% of our brains. The rest is just like there, doesn't do anything, fills the head. They tell us the universe is about 96% empty. There is nothing. Every now and then you see a star, or like you find some star and probably some planetary systems, but the rest is just nothing there. 96% or something is empty. So, if you think about the concept of black holes, they are like not even light can escape. Everything implodes in there. It's the ultimate gate to nothingness. And I've been thinking about like simple ways of how you can use your sense of logic and stuff like that in order to make a first little check about if something can be true or not. And let's say like this whole talk about dark energy, black holes, and like it's all somewhat on the minus side of things. It's not visible, it's not measurable, it's just not there, but it's a whole bunch of it. Like most things are made of it. It doesn't make any sense. Never made. Never made any sense, this whole book. I spent many hours reading, trying to read that. And what a picture quality we have here. And I think one very simple tool in order to make some check about some theory or whatsoever. Remember, I'm not a scientist or whatsoever. I try to keep things rather simple because I'm a simple person, you know. Scalability. If you would scale up, or no, we just scale up dark matter and black holes and all the paradigm with these kind of things related, you will ultimately come to the conclusion that if you scale up all these things, the ultimate upscaled version of nothingness, or however you like, darkness, or these kind of things, is inexistence. Which therefore, when having reached to this conclusion, that it's inexistence, then you probably realize that there is absolutely no point to waste your time to think about these things ever again. Dark energy, and black holes, and time travel, and all these kind of things. Let's take time travel. Let's get it back or up, backwards. You will end in inexistence. It just doesn't exist. No point of wasting thoughts about it. But anyway, this was just something which somehow waved back and forth in my head all day long, and now I got rid of it. It might be totally wrong, but this is what I think about the thing. Using scalability in order to prove the inexistence of whatever, like this kind of string theory, black hole things are related. They are just not existing. If you take this kind of paradigm, like, for example, the electric universe paradigm or plasma universe paradigm, which is based to a very big amount on observations, measurements, predictions, explanations of phenomena in a very coherent way. If you would scale it up, you will end up with everything. Because all the things which are observed, they have to be existent in order that they can be observed. Also, the observer itself has to be existent. Otherwise, he couldn't observe. So it's on the positive side. There are things measurable, visible, feelable, smellable. They can hurt you. Fire can hurt you. It's existing, obviously, you know. Get your finger burned or whatever. Scaling existing things up to the max, you get everything. Scaling non-existent things to their maximum, you will end up with inexistence. Yeah, that was just some thought play. And yeah. Maybe I need to rest again. Still having flu and stuff, and there's like things still going on. Many quakes. There has been. Yeah, let me show you that quickly. That's 24 hours, but there has been one more, at least, if we put 48 hours. In Finland. What? Are there 2 quakes? 8 hours ago? 1.6? 2 days ago, 2.1. Yes, there happened 2 quakes at the exact spot. You can see those. Bog, Myers, peat, land, structures. And they are very interesting. I still tried like more than a year to try to get the text together about peat. 2 days ago. 19 kilometers. Really? Rather interesting. They're almost aligned. This one here and this one here with this lake, which is the biggest impact structure of Europe, according to scientists. Here is the Kärnänsaari, where they have found kernatite, which obviously proves that there has been some meteoritic impact happening once. I made videos about that. I disagree. It's not a meteorite impact crater. But anyway, a deep quake in the sea. Mining operation not too far. Maybe they're just digging sand out there. But anyway, mining in some form. Peatlands all over the place. Suomi, which is Finland in Finnish. Let's write it. Suomi. The first 3 letters, S-U-O, they mean swamp. Or peatlands. Yeah, Finland is the peat richest land in the whole world, compared to its size and stuff. Yeah, only this was reported by Norsar. This University of Helsinki, that's why we have a depth. Thank you, University of Helsinki. Please answer once to at least one mail I sent you. 8 hours ago. Yeah, but this again. Gothenburg extinction. And we have Hornfiskron very close to it, which might be a volcano. Mud volcano? Hello? There might be many kinds of mud volcanoes, cryptodomes and stuff, which no one knows about. Did they blow up and everybody's in awe? What? What is going on? There's actually action going on at Stromboli, I think, and yeah, this was rather interesting. 203 kilometers. There has been much deeper ones there as well. Is that Vulcano? Yes. Very close to it. Actually, on this side, there's this other deep. 2 days ago, 120. There are actually several. 1, 2, 3. Hardly visible because they are blue. 138. 158. He won. There are several quakes here as well. 2 days ago, 4.6. These are deeper ones. 13. Because I think there are two. Yeah, but I was wrong. There was just one. Yeah, some quake activity going on, and this also might be in an eruptive state in sometime soon. And if also Etna, and this would start, and would still go on, we would have 3 volcanoes in a rather small place in action. But anyway, I think I leave it here. I don't remember where I started with the video, but doesn't matter. Yes, thanks.